Hi there, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make the perfect bun. And this is the old one. And also in this video, I'm going to share with you how I apply Rosemary products on my daughter's hair. Lots of people have been asking me, how do you apply this? How often should you apply this? Stick around because this video has a lot to offer. So here are the Rosemary products that we are going to use in this video. This is my daughter when she was a baby. Her hair was not even and they were falling off. So I decided to take care of business by going the natural route, and it was a day after her first birthday. And now look at her hair. She is 5 years old, and Rosemary products has helped this girl to grow healthy, long, beautiful hair. Also in this video, I'm going to share my trauma story, my story, and why I do what I do. And this is my daughter's hair once again. She is 5 years old now. And I'm going to redo her bun using all Rosemary products, because when I made the video on rosemary spray, rosemary butter and oil, people kept asking me, how should I apply it? So you apply it when needed. And as you can see, our hair is dry and rough, and she is in kindergarten, and you have to make her look pretty all the time. At 5 years old, you enjoy as a parent seeing your kindergartner looking beautiful and rocking her long hair. By the grace of God, I have been taking care of her hair with all natural products, and I've had those products in my channel, from shampoo to leave-in conditioner to moisturizer to hair oil. I do it all by myself. And if you're wondering, why do you take the time to do this? Let me tell you, I came from a background of, having a parent that was always making me feel miserable about myself. And as a child, I remember I used to have a lot of hair, and instead of my mama to be nice and make good comments about my hair, she would be so abusive to me and made me feel bad. And that is one thing about toxic mothers. They insult their children, they make them feel conscious by insinuating things, and they'll be saying things like, my mom will be saying things to me like, you're so ugly, why is your head so big? And be saying mean things to me. Even as a girl with big boobs, she'll be saying, why is your boobs so big? As a child, I was expecting my mother to give me the support that I needed, but she wasn't emotionally available to provide that support, which is why I do what I do. I make all the products that I use on this girl's hair from scratch, and I started spraying her hair with the rosemary water to give it moisture, to soften the hair. And I work the water into her hair, the rosemary water, and then I went in with the rosemary leave-in conditioner. Please take a moment and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. So this video is mostly about sharing my story and why I do what I do, because what I do stems from a place of trauma, a place of breaking, that, should I call, narcissistic, traumatized background or cycle, and not transfer it to my children. Because when I saw that my daughter was losing her hair, I was broken. I did not just like go to the doctor. I just wanted to do something different, trying the natural route. So after putting the leave-in conditioner and working it into the hair, I'm going into massage her scalp. So please remember that first thing is moisture. You have to add moisture to the hair and then go in with the leave-in conditioner. And for rosemary oil to work, you have to use it to massage the scalp. because rosemary oil can stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the scalp. This helps hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients, which can lead to healthier hair. Also, rosemary oil's anti-inflammatory properties can help prevent hair loss caused by inflammation of the scalp and hair follicles. Liking the video so far? Please give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you. So after working that into the hair and most importantly massaging the scalp with it, I now added rosemary butter to the hair. And this helps to strengthen the hair strand. This gives shine. And this rosemary butter has mango butter and shea butter in it, which makes it a powerful combo. So I apply that into our hair and then I brush the hair together and I'm going to put it in a ponytail. So back to my story. If you ever wonder why I call my channel Healthy Parenting, it comes from a variety of my past. I've had a traumatized background, horrible background, but the one that hurts me the most is the one I had, the trauma I had by my own mother. She, was very, very abusive to me. And let me tell you, children raised by a narcissistic mother will find traditional depictions of loving, supportive, and nurturing mothers hard to understand. And this is very true because I used to wonder, how do people say that mothers are nice when I did not have such experience? Kudos to great mothers around the world. Believe me, my mom used to tell me I'm ugly all the time. She would say very mean things to me. I mean, I grew up as a girl looking so very attractive with my big boobs. But instead of my mom to support me, she was my first bully. She was my biggest bully. She makes me feel horrible around her. I can't even dress be in front of my mom. So this is why this channel is called Healthy Parenting, to help parents to do better, to do the right thing, to be that support system for their children. So back to the hair. After putting it in a ponytail, I detangle the tip, that top part, and then I divided it into three and braided the pony, the bottom part of it. So after braiding it, I will fold it and make it into a beautiful bun. Regardless of what I went through as a child, I'm proud to say that I'm a mom to a 13-year-old author of 2 books, more to come, links in the description. So that's how I make a beautiful bun on my daughter, and I've also made 2 buns, a beautiful Mickey Mouse on her hair, which came out so cute. And this is it, the perfect bun. And I went to get her bow to put on her hair, but I couldn't find it. So she waited for a while. So this is how I apply the rosemary products on her hair, starting from the rosemary water for moisture, the leave-in conditioner, oil, and butter. So remember, this is where we started from. Our hair was looking so rough and messed up. And this is her now. Isn't it gorgeous and beautiful? I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. This channel is called Healthy Parenting because we encourage parents to do the right thing, to love and support, to be there to nurture, to make healthy choices, because store-bought products have yucky ingredients in it and they don't care about you. Also, these products are not just made for kids. I use it too. I have 2 girls. I use it on my oldest daughter's hair as well. So this is her, and we were going to the library that day to pick some books, and look at her looking gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video, listening to my story, and also how to apply the Rosemary products, and also how to make the perfect bun. It was nice hanging out with y'all. I hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.